Hi guys, today I'm just going to add in one more recipe that was not on the schedule, and this one is for a macchiato flavored ponche creme. This was requested and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. So surprise, I hope you all enjoy this one. So to make this, we're going to start off in our measuring cup with some ponche creme. I'm sure everyone is going to have ponche creme on hand. So to that, we're going to go in with 1 shot of espresso, and you really need the espresso for this unless you wanted to use a milder coffee. The other main ingredient is this caramel syrup. You need to use the plain caramel syrup, not the salted one. And we're going to go in with 1 shot of this. Now you can always taste and adjust it if you wanted more coffee or more caramel syrup. Next, all you have to do is give this a good mix. Once those ingredients are mixed in properly, you can go ahead and pour it on some ice to serve. I like making this per person. You can make a big jug if you wanted to, but I like doing it one person because not everyone would like that strong coffee flavor in there. So thank you guys for requesting it. It was not on the schedule as I said, but I was happy to make this recipe. If you make it, leave me your comments down below. I want to hear from you. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays!